Today I'm trying the Kourtney Kardashian diet for 24 hours.
It's our avocado pudding for breakfast. Sugar, avocado, and milk, and it actually tastes really good.
It's morning now, which means it is time for breakfast. An avocado smoothie. Of course, I have an avocado. She also adds in a plant-based milk. She adds in some protein powder, some honey. Now, I love avocados, but here's the thing. I love them in guacamole. I love them in savory uses. I definitely do not like them, I think, in a breakfast form, but we're gonna take our avocado and do it nonetheless. Take out the pit and scoop it right into your blender. I feel like this is gonna be like a guacamole smoothie. Into there, add in your plant-based milk. I'm doing almond. Then protein powder, which I'm actually excited by because the last diet I tried, Gwyneth Paltrow, didn't really have much protein in her diet. So I think the protein powder may actually fill me up. Then for a little sweetness, she adds in the honey, which I'm hoping will taste a lot because I like it. Kourtney also adds MTC oil, maca powder, and wild greens powder. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna blend. Oh boy, all right. And pour it out. Oh God, that consistency. I mean, it's kind of like a pudding, which I have heard this also called as an avocado pudding. Bon appetit. Oh boy. All right. It's time to start my day like Kourtney. I'm like actually scared. The consistency is like pudding. I don't know what to think. Okay, let's go. Honestly, not that bad. It doesn't have that much flavor. As it's settling in my mouth, not for me. The consistency is actually pretty good, but the flavor's just not doing it for me. But you know what? If it works for Kourtney, it works for Kourtney. I'm gonna try to eat the rest of this and wait for lunch. It's lunchtime. That avocado smoothie did not fill me, so I'm very excited. I'm trying Kourtney's bread with margarine and pickles. I'm gonna give it a try. I like bread. I like any type of butter or fat, and I like pickles. So let's give it a try. Now, she uses sourdough. I don't have sourdough, but I do have ciabatta. So I feel like that is close enough, and it's really good ciabatta. So I think she'd approve. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of my margarine and spread it on the bread, just like that. So far, so good. Next, I have these hot, large dill pickles, which I don't think she uses spicy pickles, but you know what? I am. So we're just gonna take out a pickle from right here, and then she just slices it up to go right on top. And place your pickles right on top, just like that. This looks like a sandwich that no one asked for. Now that our pickle open face sandwich is ready, she also, she also has a tangerine. She also has a clementine. All I have is a tangerine, so I'm just gonna peel that. And this is gonna be my side dish, a little fruit with a pickle sandwich. Just break that apart and place your little pieces onto the plate. I mean, come on, a balanced meal right over here. Honestly, a little more exciting than my breakfast. And just like that, lunch is served. Oh boy, I'm like a little nervous for this. The bread's good. Oh, the pickle's really spicy. How do you like this, Kourtney? I know you don't use spicy pickles, but still, I'm gonna need to wash that down. Okay, that's delicious. Well, this is definitely better than the lunch that I had when I did the Gwyneth Paltrow diet, which was bone broth, but not my favorite lunch I've ever had, but I'm eating it, which is what counts. It's dinner time. As you can see, it's still a little light outside. I'm having an early dinner because I'm still hungry from lunch. So I am making this crispy rice that Kourtney has. She goes to Nobu a lot for dinner. I'm not going to Nobu. I'm gonna make the crispy rice that she likes to order. She gets with avocado on top. She also gets edamame, and she gets an avocado roll. I'm not making all that. We're just doing rice. And just cut these into some nice cubes like that, ready to fry. And take your little pieces of sushi rice straight into the oil to fry up until golden brown and crispy. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. These are getting nice and crispy. Just give them a flip. Oh boy, these are gonna be good. I am very excited about this. This makes up for the whole day so far. And crispy rice is ready. Just take it out on here. Now all I need is avocado, and it's dinner time. I'm so excited. I have a beautiful avocado, so I'm just going to thinly slice and fan it out. Push it down, cut into cubes, right on top. And I'm gonna top each with a little drizzle of our spicy mayo, vegan of course, and dinner is served. I'm like so excited. I'm just gonna eat right now. I mean, it's delicious. It's beloved for a reason. It's a classic. Kourtney, this is my favorite part of the day. Right over here, I will eat this any day of the week.